Hi, in front of me is VIVO X51 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto-rotation on this device. Start by opening Tab menu. Now click on Auto-Rotate icon. Auto-rotation is now on. You can turn it off the same way. You can also go into Settings, choose Display and Brightness and tap on the switcher next to Auto-Rotate screen. If you want to check out if it works, go into any app, for example Albums, and turn your phone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!